This is a story of a backpacking trip by Virginia Backpacking Premium on July 16 and 17, 2021. This is the map of the Spruce Knob Seneca Creek area, and if you follow the arrow, I'll explain the route we took. We went to the trailhead at the top of Spruce Mountain, and after looking off the fire tower, we walked down Huckleberry Trail that's shown in light blue, and ultimately connected in with this trail in brown and followed the pink trail. I forget the name right now, but went down to the Seneca Creek drainage right in this area, and that's where we camped the first night. And you'll see pictures of a really beautiful waterfall just above where we had our camp that night. The next morning we had planned on coming back up Seneca Creek and then kind of repeating our steps back up to the top of Spruce Knob. But we changed our mind, and I'm glad we did, because we got a chance to walk up the length of the Seneca Creek trail, and it is one of the most beautiful hiking trails that many of us have ever seen. It was excellent hiking in terms of the trail itself, but it passed through some just jaw-dropping beautiful settings, ranging from waterfalls to mountain meadows to rhododendron bloom. Just a beautiful trail. But anyway, we came out at the Seneca Creek trailhead marked here, and a couple of us hitched back up the forest road back to the trailhead, got a couple of cars, came back, and we piled in and head on home. So really great trip. So that's part of what we were talking about. Now I'm going to show you the people who went on this trip next. Here's a group of 4 of us. Notice how beautiful the rhododendron is behind us. And this is the waterfalls immediately above where we camped the first night. This was Saturday morning, July the 17th. And this is from the top of Spruce Knob looking, I guess it's looking west. Notice the very center of the picture.